What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Kyosho monster truck, USA1 4X. I'm gonna dash it today. Give her some little abuse. See how durable this truck is today. Come on now. Didn't break it yet. I should have did a speed test on her. Pulling off side wheelies and stuff. All right, jump again. Whoa. All right, let's go on some dirt. Yeah, this is a good truck though. This is a good little truck. Got a nice little speed to it. It's got good handling. It seems to me like the tire's not gonna last too long. Nice and stable. Yeah, I don't think them tires gonna last too long because they balloon a lot. Yeah, it stays with a wheelie. The wheelie bar, I don't like the wheelie bar on this. That's the only thing I don't like about this car is the wheelie bar. Other than that, it's cool, it's fine. There we go, some rough shit stuff. Oh, not that rough. Not that rough. Okay, we knocked something loose. We knocked a few things. Look at everything dangling. Yeah, this is definitely not a basher. I knocked about 3 things loose just now. Let's see if I can fix that real quick. It took me less than five minutes to fix that. Back in action. Oh yeah, this thing is a... Yo. This thing is a beast. It ran me over, but that's all right. Just a little minor fracture. As long as I'm having fun. Yeah, this car gets a... Only thing about this is the plastics. I mean, they're popping off instead of breaking, which I really don't too much have a problem with. I just know eventually it's going to wear down to the place where it's going... I'm going to upgrade it, though. I'm going to upgrade it. As soon as it's permanently broken, I'm going to upgrade it. It's got a lot of potential. Bang! And I like to give a shout out. I like to give a shout out from time to time to all my supporters. I like to give a shout out to Mog, RC Models, Allen RC Duke, Lyndon RC 215. I like to give a shout out to them because they helped me out with certain things I didn't know. Like to give a shout out to all the people that watch my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for the support. As always, hit that like button, subscribe. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.